So, I came to give my barbecue review of the barbecue shack here. See, it's listed as one of the places to check out when you're in Laconia. And internet says they're open. This sign says they're open. However, this sign does not. So, guess we're not doing a review of them today. So I'm fighting with the wife this morning. Do you need to bring your coat today? No, I don't need to wear my coat today. It's going to be 70-something degrees outside. Well, 70-something degrees in Georgia and 70-something degrees in Laconia are not the same thing. You see this moisture on the windshield? That's from driving in the morning. Not rain, just driving through the mountains in the morning. And that, when you're doing it at several miles an hour, gets cold. So I'm glad that I listened to her when she wanted me to put on the windshield this morning, and that she wanted me to bring my coat, because I ended up needing them. So this is where we ended up. 104, Route 104 Diner.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, literally. Right in the middle.
So what do you think of your morning so far?
It's chillier than I would normally like, but I'm okay with it. Normally when we go to rallies, they're really warm. And that's wonderful. So this one is not, but I'm prepared. I wear layers. So it's a little mistier.
There's the fog, being in the mountains.
But honestly, it is the most beautiful sightseeing.
Yep.
Beautiful. Very green. I didn't think there was anywhere greener than Georgia, but I was wrong. Yeah.
So while we were sitting there eating breakfast, warming up, I was looking at the Facebooks, and I saw this post on the Laconia Bikeweek page. And it said something about Punch 7 completed, now to turn in. Thank you, Jamie, for posting this. Because then I started to research, okay, what is it? So let me zoom in on the card here. The idea is that you go to all of these area Harley Davidsons, and then you get a prize. And so I thought, hey, that's something that'd be pretty cool to do. So wasn't going to make it a priority to try to get to all of them because I had other things that I wanted to do. But the first one on the list was right down the road.